Premium Outdoor Rated Compact Refrigerator by Bull Outdoor Products. The Premium Outdoor Rated Compact Refrigerator by Bull Outdoor Products is most certainly the best outdoor refrigerator. This particular option might be somewhat more expensive than alternative options on the market, but its quality, design, and overall features definitely make it worth the purchase. This is a 24-inch refrigerator that is constructed with a premium quality stainless steel, which means it's far more resilient than the rust than a lot of other options that you are going to find. On the inside of the product is an LED control panel, which can be used to control the temperature of the refrigerator. Temperature can be adjusted between 23 and 68 degrees, depending on what you need to keep cold. The door offers a self-closing feature with a special locking mechanism. There are 3 shelves on the inside. 2 of the shelves can be adjusted to make extra space for large containers that you might want to store on the inside of the device.